at the beach today. We just got here. The kids are playing in the sand. See, Lali's there. I came straight from work because I had been telling the kids we were gonna come, but it had been kind of cold. But now that the heat is coming back, then I will. You want to say hi?
Hi.
We're gonna be coming more often, right?
Look, my shirt's all wet.
Yeah.
I got, and my pants are all wet too. Yeah. Oh.
Wait, where's Arielle? She ran away. Okay, so we're just gonna play in the sand, be getting wet. Nathan, are you still making your tunnel?
Huh?
Are you still making your tunnel?
It's already done.
Let's see.
Wee.
Oh yeah, cool. Are you gonna go wet with us?
Are you guys actually gonna go in?
Well, kind of. The water's kind of cold right now. Maybe we'll come back tomorrow again. Don't be scared, it's okay. Look at this beautiful sunset. Kids are still playing. I'm getting in the water with them. And then Lali and Nathan are here digging a hole. Just enjoying the beautiful, beautiful beach. Look at him dance. Are you guys happy?
Yeah.
So happy. Whoa! Oh! 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 I got you! I got you! It's okay! It's okay! It's okay! It's okay! It's okay! It's okay!
Are you okay?
It's okay! Oh man, that was wild!
I know that
Woo!
was wild.
Okay, so Arielle and I are just hanging out right here, sitting down. But she is much, much better, right? I just showed her the video of her wiping out. She's like, and that's what happened. I'm like, yeah, that's what happened. Is your first wipe out? Yeah? But you're good, huh? Beautiful girl. Or just, huh? You want Lechita? Can you guys believe she's 3 years old and I still breastfeed her? Oh my goodness. No more Lechita. You're a big girl. Okay, I'm gonna end the video here because my phone is running out of battery. I mean, not battery, storage. Okay, we're going. I'm gonna film tomorrow. We're gonna come back for sure. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.